What's your name?
Brady.
Is it what?
Brady.
How do you spell that?
B-R-A-Y.
Good job. How old are you? How many is that?
Count them.
You count them.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. And when is your birthday?
In May.
And how old will you be in May? 4. Good job. What's your headband got on it?
Bees.
What's that for?
Brady.
Good job. Who's your boyfriend?
Quick.
Who's your best friend?
Courtney.
Who else?
Nobody.
Not even your mom?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, I love you.
Love you.
How much you love me?
A whole lot.
Okay. Love you.